better is check out that character. Now that you're back in Brookhaven, check it out. Your character. Right, but here it is. Here it is. I'm going to show you how. One thing that pretty much means Right, Sonny, pretty, and pretty much right. The second Philip, I give you right behind me. What the heck? It was so obvious. In the fountain, the tip thing, I just see a yellow fraternity house. This is going to be the easiest round of hide and seek ever. I'm so confident. Delicious. Yeah, that's literally what I was supposed to do. So I'm like, you're actually here, and this is so stupid. So, the hide and seek. You like this? No, mine. No. Red. Are you hiding it? Stop living. Yes, I am. Okay, that's easy. Then my second question is, are you inside or outside? I am outside. Outside? This guy is here. Maybe there's a secret spot in the pool. Check this, check this. Sonny is going to be looking forever if you're not there. So if you're outside, there's not a lot of spots you could be hiding. This is going to be the fastest round of hide and seek in a long time. All right, Mr. Yeah. Yeah. Please, you can find it. Give it to myself. Yeah, the next one. Disguise. Could be in that chimney. Find a way to get up top. Good luck. That's all I gotta say. Problems. Third grade school. Maybe you could.
走埋好常。攞㗎，係啊，唔係啊，第二部啊，upgrade 咗少少，係啊。Hello。
Seek ever. I thought so too, but I'm not so sure. You see these doing this and then here. Wait a second.
喂，死啊！
Make any sense, bro? So this is really weird. You can lay down on this chair. You can lay down on this chair, but lay down on the third one. That is strange. Sounds like secret debate this. Concerning things at barbecues on fire. Wait a second, Melon. You might be on fire. I don't care. It's your house. When I click on this chair, there's me this. Right. Sonny, the secret spot. I'm just gonna ignore your message. Melon, accept the payback request, please. Please, I need to win this round. There's only 10 seconds. Good. Wait a second. I know you can't resist, though. Where's it? 10 years apart. I will give you the something. So good, Sonny.
傳啦，好傳。哎呀，唔得啦，唔知啊，慢咗啦。好嘢，做得好。哎呀，哇，個龍門出咗嚟啊！
Plain sunny red. Maybe the regular grocery store. Yeah, that's like that's terrible.
哎呀，Ocean 你射好啲啊！哦，好嘢！好嘢，OK 啊，冇問題，OK，寫得好啲，下次。走位，走位，走位。
Something here. She is not beneath me. We'll figure out how to get out of this place. Okay, Sonny, if you're close to the city, close to the start.
Dạ. 哎呀，帶多步都可以。
So specific, you might as well start with that. That would have helped a lot. Actually, that's a great point. Just like this film. 10 seconds long, but that must be so stupid. Well, I'm not answering any more of your questions. You can cry about your You only have 30 seconds left. Invisible. Seconds.
Left. 傳唔傳到啊？傳唔傳到啊？咁佢哋傳。
Look at the ice cream machine. Yeah. I knew that would work, bro. The ultimate is.
係，踏一步，踏一步，係啦，射唔射到？大力啲啊 ，OK， 唔緊要，嚟哥。
Yeah, which means it's time for a time breaker. Get this video to
哇，用手啊嘛，係啊。
To do a third round. And then good luck hiding. This is a speed round. You only get 60 seconds. Oh, this doesn't seem fair. Then you get 2 minutes to seek. I was gonna say I get 3 minutes to seek too. And out. Yeah, it's fair. We just cut it all off. Anyways, good luck. I've got to find things that and I've got to do it now. Where else can I become invisible?
哇，救到啊！
Sunny, I'm ready. It was really fast. She tells me you roll the motorcycle over here and you're just hiding somewhere obvious. Teleport. Where's that bicycle? There. It says 5 minutes, Sunny. I just found you. It's
唔好穿埋一齊。
Sunny, I would teleport. I know you just teleported. I saw you because you had a job. Was this floating?
Sorry.
Hey, Sunny and I are playing toilets. It's fun. You can only use one color, meaning if I land on red, I can only use their profile picture.